Hi, welcome to my Cuddly Stitches Craft channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to attach legs to your amigurumi toy without sewing. This is a very quick and handy technique, perfect for someone who doesn't like too much sewing when working on their crochet toys. It can also be used for other body parts such as arms, tails or ears. I will be following my tiger pattern in this video, but you can use this technique with any crochet toy pattern where you can single crochet the legs to the body. If you would like to crochet the tiger featured in this video, then you can find the link to the free pattern in the description below or on my blog. Okay, so we are ready to attach the legs now. I have already finished the legs, closed them using single crochet stitches across the top and weaved the yarn ends in. If you would like to watch my video tutorial on how to close the legs or any flat amigurumi piece, then you can find the link to the tutorial in the description below. Okay, so this is the bottom of the body I crocheted following my tiger pattern, and we are going to attach the legs on each side at an angle like this, so the toy can sit up nicely. We will be crocheting in round following my tiger pattern until we get to the point where to attach the first leg. At this point you should of course follow the instruction in the pattern you are using. So single crochet in the first 3 stitches and then increase. So that's 1, 2, 3, and now increase, so 2 single crochets into the same stitch, and now single crochet in the next 6 stitches and then increase again. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and increase again, so 2 single crochets into the same stitch. Okay, so we are now ready to attach the first leg. It has 7 stitches across the top, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we are now going to attach it to the next 7 stitches on the body. Place the leg on the right side of the body with the stitches across the top of the leg aligned with the last round of the body, and then make sure that the front of the leg is facing upwards, so the back of the leg where there are any color changes will be facing downwards. Then insert your hook into the first stitch on the leg, and then on the next stitch on the body. So you will end up with 2 stitches on your hook, and you will single crochet these stitches together. Then insert your hook into the next stitch on the leg again, and the next stitch on the body, so you have 2 stitches on your hook, and single crochet them together again. The tiger pattern tells us to do 6 single crochet stitches and an increase in the last stitch. So this is number 3. 4, 5, 6, and now the increase in the last stitch of the leg. So that's 1 single crochet in the last stitch and 2nd single crochet in the last stitch. Okay, so we have now attached the first leg, so we will continue with this round until we get to the point where to attach the second leg. So according to my tiger pattern, we have to single crochet in the next 6 stitches and do an increase. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now the increase, so 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Okay, so we can now attach the second leg, and just like with the first leg, the back of the leg should be facing downwards. Place the leg on the right side of the body. Insert your hook into the first stitch on the leg and the next stitch on the body and single crochet them together. So continue this way, just like we did with the first leg. So do 6 single crochet stitches and an increase in the last stitch of the leg. So this is number 3. 4, 5, 6. So now the increase. So that's 1 single crochet in the last stitch of the leg and second single crochet in the same stitch. Now we have attached the second leg, we can finish this round. So according to my tiger pattern, we have to single crochet in the next 6 stitches and then increase. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now the increase, so 2 single crochets into the same stitch. And now single crochet in the last 3 stitches. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so we have now attached both legs and this is what it looks like. As you can see, this technique gives you a very nice and neat finish on both sides. And because the legs are attached at an angle, your tulle will sit up nicely too. To continue crocheting the body, just follow the pattern and crochet in round as usual. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to receive an update when I add a new video. Thank you for watching.